guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, Z06 update time. We got a lot going on here, so let's get right into it. The 388 cubic inch LT5 that we built earlier on the channel is now in the car. I say LT5, this is a LT4, LT5 hybrid. It's gonna be getting LT5 supercharger. Gonna continue running DI, but also running secondary port injection. Wrapping up some of the front drive for the LT5, AC delete, removing some weight. Stepping back, we got the whole front end off the car. We're swapping over to a ZR1 front end. Got all the cooling system, fenders, fascia, hood. Still working on the splitter and some of the other trim stuff for the front end. Fore Innovations triple pumps in the tank. We've got a -8 line feeding a Y block here. We're gonna split this and run -6 to the DI pump and a -6 to the secondary fuel rail. Gonna run a Crawford Holley system to run the port injectors and the supercharger bypass valve. It's a new V3 model. It's gonna piggyback off the stock ECU connector, so you don't have to run to every little sensor. Probably gonna mount it here or in the interior. It's on the way, we gotta figure out where to mount that. Surge tank system is out back. Again, we run the Fore Innovations triple pump. I got some wiring yet to do with the Fore Innovations fuel pump controller. Still gotta wire that in, make some connections to the Holley system to trigger the secondary pumps. Also got the diffuser off, making some changes back here. That'll be later after the front end's done. And then we're gonna wrap the whole car, give it a whole new look. Z06 2.0, LT5 based, ZR1 front end, and a little different color. All right, the ZR1 center heat exchanger is in. This is direct bolt in the Z06. No modification was necessary. I think it's probably just about the same as the stock Z06. All right, we got the front drive wrapped up. We got the regular serpentine belt, complete AC delete. Put a brand new tension in there. The old one's looking pretty bad. Put the stock belt back on just to make sure the length is right with the AC delete. It is. So we got a new stock belt coming, and we've got the supercharger drive parts installed. No belt for that yet. Got to check the length once we get the supercharger on. Got the ZR1 fender sitting in the car just for mock-up. I'm gonna check and see how much room we've got in the fender to put the Holley ECU. Not much there. I think we're gonna locate it inside the car. Got a good spot for that. Probably gonna mount it under the passenger seat. Really good spot right there. Work on a mount for that and pass through some wires through the frame, which will go right to the ECU. All right, that about does it for this update. I didn't want to film myself working on the car the whole time. That'd be kind of boring. So we're just jumping around to some of the things we're finishing. If there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.